Hi everyone, welcome back to Airdrop Insider, your go-to channel for crypto airdrops and blockchain rewards. I'm Adam, and today we're talking about an exciting new airdrop, Taker Protocol. 51% of the total supply is allocated to the community through airdrops, staking rewards, and block rewards. Want to get in early and earn free Taker tokens? Stick around and I'll show you how to qualify and maximize your rewards. As always, if you have any questions about the airdrop or need help claiming your tokens, I'm here to assist. Message me directly on Telegram. The link is in the description below. Let's get started. Taker Protocol is a decentralized liquidity protocol built for Bitcoin, NFTs, and DeFi integration. Key features: cross-chain liquidity, seamlessly move assets between blockchains, NFT lending, unlock liquidity from your NFTs. Bitcoin DeFi integration boosts BTC asset flow across the ecosystem. With a focus on liquidity and scalability, Taker Protocol is solving major challenges in the crypto space. Now, how to participate in the Taker airdrop? Follow these steps to participate in the Taker airdrop. Step 1. Sign up and connect your wallet. Visit Taker Protocol's official website and connect a compatible Web3 wallet. Step 2. Engage with the platform. Earn Taker tokens by participating in minting events, liquidity staking, trading and lending activities. Step 3. Stay active for rewards. Additional rewards will be distributed through block rewards, on-chain governance participation. The more you engage, the higher your potential rewards. Here's why this airdrop is worth your time. Huge community allocation. 51% of the total supply goes back to users. Earn passive rewards. Stake and participate to maximize your earnings. First mover advantage. Be among the early adopters before the project fully launches. Early participants often get the biggest rewards, so don't wait. Want to stay updated on Taker Protocol and other airdrops? Join my Telegram channel for real-time updates, tips, and guidance. The link is in the description. Reach out anytime. Taker Protocol is revolutionizing Bitcoin and NFT liquidity. Are you ready? Subscribe to Airdrop Insider for more crypto airdrop guides and updates. Got questions? Drop them in the comments or message me on Telegram. Start participating today and claim your free Taker tokens.